Órale amigos, so today I'm taking you for a walk down to Yaowarat Road, aka Chinatown. I took the MRT down to Hua Lamphong station and I'm walking from here. So I'm gonna do a pretty long walk today. I'm going from Hua Lamphong, that is the old train station, and I'm going through Yaowarat Road, like through Chinatown, and then down the small markets, which sadly is closed now. You know, it's pretty late. So, but I'm taking you through the market, and we'll end up in what they call Little India, and have some Indian food there, and then I'll continue to walk through Old Town and all the way down to Khao San Road. So follow me amigos. For everyone that has been around backpacking in Thailand before, this will bring a lot of memories. I've taken trains from here for the past 20 years, backpacking around all the way down to the south and north and everywhere.
Walking from Hua Lamphong and through Old Bangkok, we can't miss the opportunity to talk about the beautiful area called Talat Noi, an area where culture, history meets street art. This used to be a merchant place for Chinese and immigrants, where a lot of trades were made. You can see in this whole area still today, there is a lot of car parks everywhere, amongst the beautiful cafes and restaurants. Street art and graffiti covers the walls and makes it truly special.
I'm not gonna do the typical review video of this area because you've probably seen a million of them. So just let's continue down the road and I'll show you the small market roads. Chinatown right now, so let me take you down to the small side roads and show you the markets instead. So this is the back alley of Chinatown, and it goes parallel to Yaowarat. So you have to take a little detour. If you come here, you have to come during the day because it's probably the best place you can do your overall shopping. They have everything here and it's retail prices. So you can get a lot of shopping done here. And this stretches all the way down to Indian town, where I'm getting some Indian food. I'm starving, but I didn't get any food in Chinatown because I'm really craving for some Indian food tonight. So there's still some shops open, but yeah, most of them are closed at this time. So we are right at An Canal, and aka Little India, and you can find a lot of good like Indian shopping malls and restaurants and everything around this whole area. So if you love Indian food, now you know where to find it. That was good. So next up, Khao San Road. If you're done walking and you're starting to get tired, just like 5 minutes walking from An Canal, you have the MRT station Samyot. From here you can take the MRT down to anywhere in the center city. The little tower you see in the back here is part of the Old Bangkok prison. So this whole area is under construction now because they're gonna put up a BTS station close by. And these towers are part of the outer wall of the prison. And there's not much left of it, but in the back here you can see the old jail cells. They moved this whole jail and all the prisoners down to what they call now the Bangkok Hilton. the main prison like in the outskirts of Bangkok. This park is part of the old jail courtyard. Most of this public park also have like outside gyms and they're all free. But in the back here in this square, there's a lot of history. This was an old swing that they put up for, it was like a tourist attraction, but there was so many people getting hurt that they had to take it down. But they kept the whole construction because it's quite beautiful. In the back here also you have a good rooftop that is popular. It's called Swing Bar. I haven't been there myself, but it's supposed to be good views over, you know, old town here, and cheap prices, you know. So another thing to visit if you're around this area. And just like that, we have arrived in Khao San Road in the back here. I have arrived to my final destination, and in the back here you see Wat Pho, and this is just like, I don't know, 15 minutes walk from Khao San Road, so you have a lot of temples and stuff around here. I recommend you just skip the whole Khao San Road thing and just go around the old city and you know, have some food, make some shoppings, go to the temples, and you can see it now, but in the back here the Chao Phraya River runs, so you have a lot of like restaurants and bar on that side also that is much better than Khao San Road. So I recommend you go, like if you want to have some drinks, maybe some mukata or some cool places to have dinner right by the riverside, I suggest you go to that side. And from there, if you come early enough, you have a lot of boats that goes to everywhere. And there's a lot of big malls and stuff all around the river also. So thank you for me, amigos, and hasta la pasta, baby.